Rolls-Royce. From childhood, we are hearing that Rolls-Royce is a luxury car. It won't sell to everyone. They will do background verification before selling, etc. So today we are going to know some interesting facts behind Rolls-Royce. Why it is that much costly, how its logo got created, what is the flashback of our Indian king with Rolls-Royce, and much more. So friends, I have done a deep work in knowing about Rolls-Royce. Video will be very interesting, so don't miss till the end. To know more such interesting facts, encourage me by subscribing my channel. Rolls-Royce started in 1904 with two partners, Charles Rolls and Henry Royce. As they wanted to name the company which should match their names, so they have chosen Rolls from Charles and Royce from Henry and made it as Rolls-Royce in 1904. It is a British company. Rolls-Royce is famous for handmade. It means complete car is made by hand, due to which Rolls-Royce lasts minimum for 100 years, whereas Maruti, Hyundai, Honda, Tata, etc. will last minimum for 10 years, as they are made up of robots and artificially. It is because the other cars made within 17 to 18 hours by using steel. But Rolls-Royce will be taken nearly 9 to 11 months of time by using aluminium material. In Rolls-Royce, there is a special feature, that is, nearly 40,000 different colors are available. For example, if you choose a dog and you want to keep that color to your Rolls-Royce, then they will match the dog's DNA and use the exact color and handovers to you. All the Rolls-Royce cars are painted only by one painter. He is Mark Court. He is the only painter to paint all the Rolls-Royce cars. Coming to interior of the car, it is made up of craft leather on the roof. Nearly 1000 to 1500 fiber optics are used. If once we sit inside the car and sees up, it memorizes with the design of it. The basic car in this company is Rolls-Royce Ghost. Its price is just 5.25 crores. Coming to Muscat, early Rolls-Royce used to use logo instead of Muscat. There was Radiator Muscat. It was designed just with the logo RR. But in 1909, Baron John Montagu, for his Rolls-Royce, he thought to keep a Muscat. So he met Charles Robinson Sykes, a famous Muscat designer, and asked him to design Muscat for his Rolls-Royce. Then he selected his secret girlfriend, Eleanor Velasco Thornton, as a Radiator Muscat. He designed the Muscat in such a way that it says about his secret relation with her. The Muscat was fixed to Rolls-Royce. When this Rolls-Royce is moving in the city, the other owners of Rolls-Royce got attracted and approached Charles Robinson for Muscat. In this way, Rolls-Royce has different Muscat to different owners as per their wish. This was observed by Claude A. Johnson, the managing director of Rolls-Royce. He was disappointed, then he decided to use a standard Radiator Muscat and approached Charles Robinson for a perfect Radiator Muscat for Rolls-Royce. Then Charles did some changes to Whisper Muscat and made it a new Muscat and named it as the Spirit of Ecstasy. It means the beautiful goddesses or angel. In this way, the Spirit of Ecstasy was created. Nearly 6 to 12 lakh rupees will get costed for this Muscat only in Rolls-Royce. Till now, the costliest Spirit of Ecstasy is 2 crores 45 lakhs. This was designed by Guts Exotics Company from Los Angeles. It was made with 40 carats pure diamonds. But now, I guess each and everyone will get it out that after keeping such a costly Muscat, it won't get stolen by someone. No one can touch it because it is manufactured with special sensor setting. That is, if anyone tries to touch, or tries to steal the spirit of ecstasy, it will go inside by itself. Coming to the flashback with Indian King. In 1920, King of Alwar, Jai Singh Maharaj was passing towards Rolls-Royce showroom in London. When he visited the showroom, one of the salesperson of Rolls-Royce thought that he is a poor guy and insulted him. Then Jai Singh Maharaj came back to India and made his servants to call Rolls-Royce showroom of London that he is going to visit. Now after he reaches the showroom, they received Jai Singh with red carpet with full of respect. That time 6 cars were there in the showroom. For all the 6 cars, he paid the amount including delivery charges and brought to India. After he comes back to India, he ordered municipality people to clean the roads and kept that garbage in those cars. In this way, Raja Jai Singh took a sweet revenge for the insult in London. After knowing about this information, Rolls-Royce company wrote an apologize letter and requested Jai Singh not to use those cars for municipality usage. And for their mistake, they sent 6 more cars as a gift for Jai Singh. Then Jai Singh accepted their apology and stopped using those cars for municipality. Every Indian should be proud with this revenge. From that time, who doesn't know about this story, they started spreading rumors that Rolls-Royce company sees assets of past and future, background verification will be done, etc. But these all are just a fake news. If you have amount to buy this car, you can buy it in any way. No need to show your assets to anyone. But we cannot see Rolls-Royce cars in India much because of huge traffic, improper roads, speed breakers, and the main issue is tax problems. As we have to import from other country, more than car price we will spend for importing and taxes. So that's all about Rolls-Royce. Guys, hope you have learned so many unknown facts on Rolls-Royce. If you still have any doubts on it or for more such interesting videos, do comment in the comment section. If you like the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to get the latest notification. And please do support us. Thanks for watching.